Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Ford Focus MK3. This is the third generation Ford Focus from year 2012 to year 2019 guys. And we'll show you how to remove or how to replace side skirt guys. Okay, your side skirts on the left or the right side guys. You have two side skirts. We'll demonstrate on the left side, the right side is identical. Stay with us, we'll cover everything from start to finish. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on Ford Focus and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully the information will be helpful. If you want to save even more money guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see guys where you can buy parts and tools for your car for a super good price, fast shipping as well. So this is the side skirt. Stay with us guys and we'll explain how to remove that thing and how to replace it. Okay, you may need to remove it to replace your fenders. Okay, if you need to put new fenders, you have to remove that thing as well. So we're going to cover everything from start to finish today. Let's start on it now. Okay, we remove the wheel now. After that guys, okay, right here we have one clip that holds the fender liner towards the side skirt. So you're supposed to pull the middle piece out and separate them, but this one just came apart, okay, like that. Okay, it's loose now on this side. Next, we need to get underneath guys. Okay, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do here. We have a few more clips, okay, that we need to remove. One is, okay, right there. So I'm trying to, okay, let me get the light, okay, underneath so you can see even a little bit better. Okay, now let's just leave it on the 4. I think on the 4 will be good. Perfect, yep. So you can see where, okay, that clip is located there as well. Pry the middle piece out and then remove guys, okay, the whole clip. But that was stuck too. Okay, let me show you how it's supposed to be. Okay, give me just a second guys to focus because I'm against the light and it's a little bit, okay, slow focus like that. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the next one. So far guys, okay, underneath we're on the second clip. You can see we're getting there. Perfect. Same thing, you pull the center piece out to some degree and then they come out. We're going to the third clip now. This is towards the middle of the front door guys. Perfect. 3 clips here and one that we removed for the fender liner. Fourth clip, same scenario guys, same thing. So let me just actually go on this side so I can show you. Okay, this is where the front and the rear door meet. That's where that clip is. Now we have the jack here. Always use jack stands guys. We have jack stand on the front, but I recommend to have one on the rear too. We put the tire under the car, so if something happens to the jack and it falls off the jack, we guys will not be smashed by the car. So this one's out. Now let's see what else we have here. Okay, just that one guys, towards the back, towards the very end. That is right before the rear tire of that Ford Focus guys. You can see, okay, where it's located. Perfect. This one came out too. Now, no more clips here. We need to open the door guys. Okay, we need to open the door and you have multiple clips on the inside, but they're the snapping clips guys. Something that you cannot reach. We'll show you. Okay, let me grab the light quick because I'm blinding the camera. Okay, give me just a second to get everything going. So here now guys, you grab it, okay, and you have multiple clips that will probably start popping out. Okay, those are the clips. Now we have the door open and the whole side skirt came out. Now those clips, okay, the one that we removed, okay, you can see where they are guys, right here. So how you guys install those things later? Okay, you need to go ahead, okay, and remove them. We might be able, no, we don't need to remove those. The side skirt guys, okay, it has these places that it just slides on top, okay, and it gets in. But you need to make sure you get them in. I don't know if we'll be, I think we'll be able to just snap it on, so like that. Okay, let's try to do that actually. Let's try to see if it's going to get back in, or we have to remove the clips. It really, okay, you need to have all of them lining up. Okay, a little bit to the front here. Okay, yep, they just go in the clips, guys. Okay, and push them in, and later install the bottom ones. So you can see that's how you guys, okay, that's how you remove it. So let's get it out all the way now. Okay, perfect. Okay, like that. And you can see, guys, we got that side skirt, okay, out of the car, just like that. The right side is the same way. So you can see, guys, that's how you remove the side skirt out of a Ford Focus MK3, guys. Installation, we showed you how to do that. Hopefully the video will be helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.